Here's a 3-minute tutorial on how to do an isolation. Hi, I'm Samara and I'm going to show you how to do this move here, which is called an isolation. I am right-handed, so I will go over a few tips holding the hoop in my right hand before showing you the move with the hoop in my left hand. First, hold the hoop in front of you with your non-dominant hand and begin tracing the hoop with your dominant hand to get a sense of what the move feels like in your arm. One time I was teaching this move to a stranger I met at the Salt River, and he pointed out that he felt his shoulder and upper back muscles working when trying this move, and I realized that he was right, and I felt the same thing. Whether doing an isolation pinky-led or thumb-led, the hoop should not be moving side to side like this, and you should be keeping a strong wrist while tracing the circle shape of the hoop. Now let's hold the hoop in your right hand, palm inside of the hoop facing up, and begin tracing or moving the hoop counterclockwise towards your pinky. Remember to keep a strong wrist as you trace the hoop onto itself. When you get to the other side of the circle and your arm feels uncomfortable, let go of the hoop and let it roll over the backside of your hand before you grab it again to continue the move. Some people find it helpful to imagine there's a table or hard surface underneath the hoop and that the hoop has to stay on top of it, cannot lift up or dip below, but rests on top of that surface. As you try it a few times, you can play around with the speed and jumping at the top versus rolling on the backside of your hand. To do this move in the other direction, or thumb-led, start with your palm facing up on the inside of the hoop and trace the hoop onto itself as you move towards your thumb in the clockwise direction. You will start with the jump or rolling motion, then continue tracing the circle. Continue practicing both sides and directions and switching it all around. So, once you learn that move with your right hand, you gotta learn it with your left hand. Take the hoop in your left hand and hold it on the inside of the hoop with the palm facing up. Start tracing the circle towards the pinky in the clockwise direction until it feels uncomfortable, and you jump at the top and catch the hoop to start the move again. The keys to remember are the same, even moving in the counterclockwise direction towards your thumb. I'm now gonna show you how to transition between an isolation and a barrel roll or iso turn. To be honest, I'm not the best at knowing proper hoop move names, so please correct me in the comments if I ever miscall something. You can do this move either direction and with one hand instead of two hands. Any moves that you see that I have tutorials on will be linked in the description below. Check those out if you want to learn. And that's it. The isolation is a great move to learn as you start off your hoop journey. Let me know if you found this helpful or want a tutorial on any other hoop trick. I appreciate your support and hope you have an inspired above average day. Bye.